Raven and Andrea. Oh.
Yun yung mga basura. Huwag ka kaya ng sumot na malaki.
Ayun na, nandun sa, andyan na sa side ni Rod.
I give her a towel. Oh,
What is it?
it's an egg bird. Like this.
How about si Amiat? Papag-open nyo na.
Open game.
Busy siya sa iPhone.
Babe, wag mo
Ano yung bibigay ang iPhone?
wag mo ibigay iPhone papag-open mo siyang gift.
Picture mo
Let me help you. Ay, masisira yung supo.
Oh, ikaw picture mo na. Sandali na, perfect time picture.
Oh, you open your gifts, Amiat. Open your gifts, honey.
I'm your turn.
Hila mo. Isa-isa na.
Ano?
There.
Wow!
Wow!
Wow! Bird!
Oh, show mommy. Let me see.
Sana mo see.
Wow, Angry Birds, blankets.
So, auntie.
Ako, Sam.
Show mo na kay Auntie Joy.
So, auntie. Amia, dito ka. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Amia's turn.
Amiel turn,
Wow!
Amiel. Galing kanina yan.
Ay, delete.
That one.
Gawin mo kasi yung mga pangalan.
Galing kay... I know. Magsulat ka.
Yun sa wrapper lang, just tear it.
Dino.
Pakitear mo lang yung wrapper tsaka yung ano.
Angry Bird.
Wow! Yes!
Dean and Dwayne. Ito nga.
Oh, picture.
Wow! Wow! Let me see, let me see.
Take a picture kay Daddy.
Babe, I can't see him.
Look, Amia, look, Daddy. Look.
Wow!
Sam. Right here.
Okay, Sam's turn.
Wow, remote control. Amia, let me see. Show auntie. Say cheese. Amia. Cheese.
Amiela, cheese off! Cheese!
Ito kay
Tayo mo yung car mo, gano'n, no?
Sam from Uncle Frankie and Auntie Rhea.
Okay.
Cheers.
iPad!
Dinala niyo ba yung gift ko sa kanila? Yung naka-Nordstrom na bag ni Joy? Ha? Yeah?
Wow. I've never seen.
O si Amia, nasan yung kay Amia?
Amia. Yeah. Okay, sabay na sila para mabilis.
Sabay na para mabilis.
Monarch.
Ah, it looks like... Oh, matulungan mo siya.
Kunin mo yung pangalan mo.
Ano sinabi na ni Pep? Hindi, kunin mo pa rin.
Kunin mo yung ano, ayun.
I-save lang.
Amia,
Wow!
Wow!
Look, Lego.
Look what you got. Wow! Wow, Sam, let me see. Let me see yours. Wow, you got a Toy Story. What is it? A glove and... Wow. Say thank you kay Auntie Rhea and Uncle Frankie, Sam. Sam, you say thank you. Thank you, Uncle Frankie and Auntie Rhea. Come on. Come on. Wow. Wow, what you got, Amiel?
From Lolo and Lola Arnel. Ay, ay, kay Amiel pala to. Amiel.
Okay, here you Sam. This one is from, let me see, honey. This one is from
Lolo Arnel and
Ate Shin. That's from Ate Shin. Okay, you open it over there.
Nalikunin natin yung ano. Yung tag.
Yay! Whoa!
Wow! You got PJs? Nice.
Sam,
this
Sam, Santa Claus daw.
Sam, show it to Auntie Joy daw, oh.
Santa Claus. Isa pa. One, two, cheese. Cheese. Wow!
Wow! Kanino galing yan, Auntie Fam? Kanino galing yan? Okay, Auntie Dory. Thank you.
Ay, kay Shin pala yung galing. Amyan. Okay,
Tama.
ito Amyan. Cheese. Amyan, come look, auntie.
Pati trick, papapalit ito.
Amyan.
Basta.
Sam, patingin nga niyan.
It's a lollipop.
Cheese. Sandali, ito pa sa'yo ba to? Look, auntie, look at auntie.
Ito, anong electric?
Oh, yeah, it's Sam. Sam from
May gift
Uncle
ka. Ay,
Juriel.
change mo na lang.
Wow, wow, Sam. You got a nice gift.
Kanina galing yan?
Juriel.
Wow! Say thank you, Uncle Jeriel.
Picture.
Oh, take a picture. Sana yung kay Amiel din, ganyan yung ata yung sa kanya.
Ayun yung isa, oh. Ay, kanina yun.
Kay something yun eh. So, kanino galing yan? Ano, Amiel?
Ay, galing to.
Sam, what is it? It's a baseball. Wow! From Uncle Jeriel.
Rhea. Uncle Frankie and Rhea. Sam, I want to see. Walang laman, Sam. Ay,
Ayun na.
one, two, three. Ah, Bini. Hindi niya nakita. Here, here.
Wow! Let me see, Amiel. Wow! Say thank you. Uy, gusto niya. You like that?
Shirley, ate ba pawang mo nga sa kanya? Pipicture. Like ganyan, ganyan.
Wow!
I got it.
Wait, you wait, Balong. Kasi we have to read. Look, auntie.
Look at Auntie Joy.
Look at Joy.
Wala nang tigil. Ay,
Look at Joy.
walang
Here.
tigil yung cheese niya. Amiel, come here. Yeah. Sheila, picture din mo na to. Puro kay dalawa. Oh, yung kay next kay Amiel. Palit nga tayo.
Kanina. Galing kay Adrian. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Pati yan. Okay. Amiel, look. Amiel. Ay. Ayan na, nandun sa may side. Dito sa sapat. Ayan, lagay mo sa shoes. Tika ko yan.
Whoa, what is that?
Beggar.
You got an Avengers?
Wow.
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 Say thank you.
So, wow. One Sam, can you say thank you? Mamaya na lang, mamaya na lang.
It's so cute.
So,
Ano yun?
Ay, nasa ni Potter.
It's so
Yung ano kay Papa? Amiel pa Sam. Ah, Amiel! Wow! From Uncle E.
Wow. From Uncle E. Say thank you. Amiel, say thank you. Miel.
Wow. You spaceship.
He got a spaceship?
Is that a spaceship? Ship
Assemble mo ba?
Wow, Amiel.
Look at this. Meron ka lang ganito eh.
Wow.
Bigyan mo yan sa Tito Boy mo.
Andito sa picture.
Bigyan mo yung Tito Boy mo. Assemble mo.
Pakita mo din.
Ano yung...
Amiel, look at Auntie Joy. Amiel, look at Auntie. Show, Auntie Joy. Amiel. Chi.
I don't know.
Amiel, look at Auntie. Oh, late. Oh, yun. Paggawa mo kay Papa. Paggawa mo kay
Kay
Papa.
Tito Boy mo. Kay Tito Boy.
Oh, mag-open ka pa ng iba pang gift, Sam.
Unang.
Ito kay Amiel. Oh, from Sash. Wow.
From Uncle Sash.
Uncle Sash. Oh, ay. Ayun, tignan na. Amiel, look. Cheese, Amiel. Hindi rin ata. Amiel. What?
Wow.
Tama yun.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Ito pa.
You say thank you, okay? Look, Auntie.
Sam, open mo pa yung ibang gifts mo. This one.
Sam.
Oh, yun kay Auntie Sam. Right there.
Can you move? Papakimove nga dyan, please. Ito. This one is Amiel from Adrian. Oh, yun, Amiel mo. Open.
Lagyan mo siya ng sticker.
Open.
Oh, ikaw na maglagay sticker sa malalagay.
Sam, let me see that.
I didn't know.
Show Auntie this. No, 1, 2, 3. Look over here. Show me. 1, 2, 3. Sige. Okay na. Ito. It's from... Ay, Bastian ka. Okay. Lagay mo dyan. Wow, space.
I don't know how to put the sticker.
Later, baby, we'll put it on. Lagay mo.
I don't know how to put
Wow,
it.
a spider. This one is Spider-Man ball. Wow. This one is from me and Papa Doc. You
Si Joy, kay Adrian. Spider-Man ball.
Baliktad ata pagkakalayo po yung ano ah.
Yeah, Anya, let me see.
What's this? Do you know who's this?
Oh, nice.
Hindi niya alam. The Grinch.
Ang tubig yan, di ba? Oo.
Hindi oh.
Nag-upload yan.
Alam niya yung Avengers.
Hindi, glider. Lalabas sa park.
Alin pa dyan?
What's that, Sam? Kanino galing yan?
Sa amin ang mabubuksan. Joy, alis ka kasi dyan nakaharang ka. Nagpipicture ako dahil. From Papa to kay Auntie Peb.
Ito, Encarnacion and Family.
Ito kay Anya. Asan yung family? Ba't ito?
Pa, may ano ka?
Oh.
Okay.
Cutter. Ito pa kay Anya.
Wait, balong. Wait.
Naglalaro na siya.
Every year may investment yung mga yun dahil wala pa silang apo. Pag sila naman nagka-apo, nag-i-invest din kayo.
Open, balong, open. May ganun.
What is it?
Wow!
What is it?
Wow, Amiel, what you got?
Ayan no, pajama.
Pakita din, pakita.
Medyas.
One, two.
Monkey.
Let me see. Wow, why you say
O yung kanyang bulok.
Sam, let me see. Wow, you have a new jacket for snow.
I say thank you.
Kanino galing yan?
Ate Bebe, Papa to.
Wow.
Wow, galing.
God. You ready for the snow? Wow, look, Auntie Joy. Paano picture mo?
Ay, sexy Anya, no?
Yeah.
Anya, let me see. Oh, you got
Ito na.
Ito, socks and
Open. Here.
A new jacket.
Wow, sabi mo, thank you.
Ay, magpa-thank you ka, Padok.
Papa Doc.
Wow!
Thank you.
Ate Shin!
Ate Shi.
Wow, Amiel, you got cars.
Ito yung tumutunog.
Let me see. Lin, pa-picture ng cars. Na pajama.
Ay, nako, my favorite toy na si Amiel. Nako, my favorite toy na. Kay Erwin.
Anya, look over here.
Ay, ito, buksan mo na to.
Nagsawa na siya.
Ito, Amia from Uncle
Sam,
Darian.
tingnan ko pa yun sa'yo. Ito sa'yo, Sam. Oh, let's punit natin yung ano, tag. Wait.
Meron pa dyan si Sam.
From Uncle Monarch.
Sa pedal, Sam.
Wow!
Wow.
House and lot, anak.
Uncle Monarch.
Ba?
Wow. May panghampas na naman siya.
Yeah.
Okay, ito pa. Ito. Lola Bear. From
The hockey player.
Wow, some have a shoes too.
Oh, wow. Wow.
yan.
Monarch. Si Monarch.
Wow. Say thank you, Sam.
It's rich. Sam, show me. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Say thank you, Uncle Monarch.
Bowling.
Anya, let me see.
Wow, may bowling si Amiel.
Wow.
Bowling.
Show me. 1, 2.
Show.
Auntie Joy.
Yeah.
Can I share my brother with that?
Yeah. Oh, there's more, Sam. There's more. Hold